How to change region in Xbox. So if you want to change your region in your Xbox account, then first you need to open up a browser. So here I'll be choosing a Chrome browser. Once you've chosen a browser, now you can simply search for Xbox, and once you've searched, you will have this kind of interface. Go for the first search, which is www.xbox.com, and it will take you to the website. So simply go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, now you can go for your My Microsoft account, and here it will take you to your Microsoft account profile. So what you need to do is simply go for the left, which has your info option. Tap on your info, and under your info, if you scroll down here, you will have country or region. So under country or region, you can simply go for the right side, and once you choose your country or region, you need to enter your password to make any settings or to edit anything on your profile. So enter your password, and once you've logged into your account, now here you will have an option to edit your info. So here you will have country or region. So under country or region, you need to go to the drop down bar, and then you can select a country. So remove that country and you can choose another country. Once you choose, you can simply go for save, which is on the bottom, and once you click on save, your country or your region will be saved. So that's how you can change your region on your Xbox PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.